Hi, I am Joshua Bulilan, CEO of Babtech. Our platform solved a big problem. Many IT graduates work in a job that don't match with their skill, while business struggle to find reliable IT talent. Babtech connect IT graduates with the right freelancer opportunities while helping business save time and find skilled professional. We earn revenue through commission on a success project, keeping it simple and fair job for both parties.
Our current prototype, which is Baptech.Versal.app, we can simulate the registration of a freelancer, and after registration, we can see what the company would be able to see if they were to log in and use our website, where they can see the details of the registered IT professionals. And also, it can simulate the registration of a company, and we will soon add other features to it, and it will function as we intended.
Greetings everyone, I am Athena Posicion, the CFO of Babtech. I handle the finances for our business. We started with 500,000 pesos, which we used to build the platform, run ads, and keep the business running. How we make money is our platform earns money only through commissions on successful projects. This model ensures fairness and allows us to grow alongside our users. Next step is we need additional funds to grow the business with 1.5 million pesos. We can improve the platform, attract more freelancers and businesses, and expand faster to reach our goals. A 500,000 startup investments cover essential tech business expenses including website development, registration fees, product creation, and family loans. The budget ensures initial operation needs are met with flexibility for scalability and unexpected expenses. This is a digital platform targeting IT freelancers and enterprises, converting 45,000 leads into a engaged marketplace of 450 freelancers and 50 businesses within the first year through strategic networking and innovative service tools.
Thank you. Babtech is creating a better opportunities for IT graduates and making hiring easier for a business. We look forward to growing together and making a lasting impact.